Welcome to Clovers, Ibrar here. Today I am going to show you how to create custom CLI commands for DevOps. This shortcut will save you a lot of time. This is the part 3 of DevOps secret weapon. In part 1 I covered .files and in part 2 I covered base profile. My purpose is to use it in my upcoming DevOps video and it will boost to X speed to perform DevOps tasks. DevOps in Action channel more focused on DevOps in easy way. Here you always found complexity in simplicity. Document guide is available in video's description. If you're tired of typing long commands over and over again, in this video I will show you how to supercharge your CLI workflow by creating custom commands line shortcut using the simple bash automation script. In this case I selected one tool like Docker. The main advantage of it, you can create your own commands and it is available for all users. It is helpful for daily repetitive tasks. Let's jump to the lab without any delay. Link you can find here. I added all the details in the GitHub repo. Here you can find what it does. Basically, you can create your own custom commands and why it is useful. It covers long Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible commands in a small command. You can cover all these things and even you can add your custom commands whatever you want. And extending to other tools, you can add more and more according to your need. And here is the comparison with dot files and brace profile with the custom CLI commands. So I'm not going to explain all these things to avoid video length. So I'm just focusing on some key points. Here is availability. If you are using custom CLI framework, then it's available for global for all users. Let's say if you create custom commands, if you have multiple users, that is available for all users. And if you use dot files, it is user specific. Base profile is also okay. And one more point here, version controlled. So custom CLI command is not version controlled, but dot files again here you can see it's version controlled, and base profile is not version controlled. Auto update features is not available for CLI framework, but yes available in dot files, and in base profile also not available. And you can see power. So basically power of automation tools. So custom CLI framework is less power, and in you can see dot files have multiple CLI tools and multiple tools. So it is always winner over the base profile and custom CLI command. And base profile is very simple, so you can, if you not want to use dot files, you can use base profile. So here is the key difference which is explained. You can copy these links and see dot files and base profiles my previous video, and this is the custom CLI, the existing URL. Let's see in action. I connected my server here. You can see here 2.4 GB available here, and let's open this shell script, and here you can find installation related commands. Okay, so this is the installation command. Let's first install it, and after that I will explain what it is, and after that copy and paste it the whole things and save it, give them to executable permission, and after that execute this script. So basically what happened here, it's created multiple command line in user bin. So here I added some variable and created help command. Once you select, let's say dhp command, this is the related to Docker, and there are a lot of things you can do with the Docker help command. Okay, so let's say here you can see dis Docker images, and you can also see the here dis. So once you type dis, you can see the available Docker images in your system. Okay, so let's say if you want to pull any image, in that case dpl ubuntu. Okay, it's already up to date. Okay, so this is the docker pull command instead of typing the docker pull command. But if you want to run, let's say if you want to run a container, in that case you need to type a long command. So for that we can use drn test. Okay, drn test, and I am putting the image name in a variable like ubuntu. So you can see here docker container is created. So with the help of simple drn test, you can create your container instead of typing docker run itd name and all these things. Similar to, you can create your custom commands. Again, you can see here we can remove the dangling image with the simple command ddi. Okay, ddi, right now there is no dangling, that's the reason it's not showing. And dhy docker image history, and let me show you something. Inspect. Right now the test container is running, I want to inspect it. So for that I am using dit command. You can see here docker inspect. Instead of typing docker inspect and container name, simply type dit. There are a lot of shortcuts added here, but my purpose is to show you that you can create your own commands, not the use my existing one, but you can create your own commands of docker, ansible, terraform, and kubernetes. Even you are using something else tools, you can use, you can create your own custom commands. Okay, and let's say if you don't, if you not require these commands, then you can uninstall it. Simply created command which you created, just rm-rf, simply all commands goes. Let's say there is no dpp and it's loaded in terminal, so need to reload the terminal again. dpp dis and dit, so there is no command, basically we uninstall. So we did installation of custom commands, and you can create your own commands with the help of this reference, and you can uninstall it if you not required. Okay, one more thing here I want to add as conclusion. Always use dot files on the top, and if you don't want to use dot files and you want to need more simple, then you can go with the base profile. And if you not require these things, let's say if you have multiple users and you want to keep that commands for all users similar, in that case use custom CLI command. And one case is there that let's say if you have one user and someone is replacing again and again your base profile or dot files, in that case you can use custom CLI command. They cannot replace custom CLI command if you added it. Okay, so always prefer dot files over base profile and custom CLI command. And if you not want to use dot files, in that case use base profile. And if you not want these two, in that case you can use custom CLI commands. I think that is enough. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any question, leave a comment. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. See you in the next video.